At first open your desired browser. Let's check the issue first. As you can see, I got already server details. Let's connect to the RDP. Open RDP console and put your IP address. So here we got connection error. Let's fix it. Let's go to 99rdp.com. Click on the chat service button, type your name and click start chat button. Just write your issue and give them your credentials. As you can see, it's fixed now. Let's check. Now paste your credentials. Let's connect to the server. It's working fine. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comments section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.